Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to get stocks using an API called polygon.io. So some use cases for this would be like a stock ticker or a stock app, and you could track stocks or just do anything fun with it. So I already have an account for polygon.io here. So I already have a key. So to get yours, you can just go to polygon.io, create an account, and then get an API key. So now I'm in my code here. I'll import requests first. There's this line of code here. You don't have to do this. This is just to hide my API key. So I'll say data is equal to request.get, and then I'll paste the link here, which I'll also paste in the description. And I'll turn this into an F string, and then I'll say f.read because this is the file that's reading from. And now I also have to make this a JSON file because this is an API, so it can read it. Now I'll say print data of close. So close is one of the tags in the JSON file that the API is showing. Now if I run it, you see I'll get the stock price.